Hi, good afternoon dear viewers, James Braithwaite here, and welcome to Life on the Edge of the Lawn. I've just been cutting all this around at my folks' place, just neatening it all off and getting some more room for other plants to grow. That's all the turf that I've whipped out, you know, so there's quite a few kilos in that stuff. Afternoon I used to do it, and just as a finishing touch around near the shade, that'll all just go in when nature wants, and it's all round there. So that's all lovely. I'm really pleased with it. I also cut the grass earlier. We're just letting the mower dry, so I think it's probably the first lawn cut of summer, so there's that to be noted. There's hardly a cloud in the sky over Timperley. The only clouds really are the chemtrails from the airplanes, so there's that much to be grateful for, really. Again, all the garden there, the pond, the frogs have visited it, and you can hear my mother making a brew for us, which is always a good sign. So I shall sign off right here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.